Hi there. So what's up guys, Jasmine here with another video, and today guys, I am playing OG Fun Monkey Horror Meetup. So let's get right into it. Right. Hey, where is everyone?
He's coming. He's coming. He's coming. Oh shit.
Wait, hey, this thing gonna crack my neck. I'm gonna crack my neck. I'm gonna kill
Why are you
myself.
guys so quiet all of a sudden? No one's ever this
Who wants
quiet.
to hit me crack?
He's not being, bro. He's not being.
I hear him.
He's in that.
Be an action star, but sometimes I'm an act bizarre. I know, right?
I don't know. That's no verse.
Come here,
I'm P. Diddy, guys. I'm P. Diddy.
I love you, people.
I'm D-Pity. I'm D-Pity.
If you wanna,
Open the door for down here. I'm gonna shut
open the door, you know, and
Goodness.
little slave. Good nigga,
Diddy.
I miss you. With his map, I miss you.
What the f***? I found him.
Where?
Come here, guys, come here. I found him. Come here.
Found him. We found him, bro. We found him. Guys, open the door. Open the door. We found it.
I found him.
No, you found it. Yeah, you found it.
I found it. Come on.
Yeah, you.
Down here?
No, wait, no, it was there.
Go down there.
No, I aim, no.
Somebody go down there. He's right there.
We're not.
Go down there, I said. The end. Sunday! Who's a good little boy?
He's not chasing.
No, shut up, dude.
he's right there.
Open the door.
Yeah, open the door. I'm a good boy.
Oh my god.
Guys, turn off your light.
He's not done. He's not done.
Oh my god, he's right there. I heard him.
You better do, go back to be a vacuum on the.
Oh my god.
What are you guys doing?
Alright, now go back to me.
I'm munching on jawbreakers right now. How the fuck are you munching on
Please,
jawbreakers?
don't. Yeah, join a public, actually.
Oh, so just chewing on a jawbreaker.
Now get over here. Get over here.
Yeah, I broke like 5 of my teeth. Alright. Alright, that's
Alright, now you know how on this sign that says vacuum? How many? I know where he is. I know where he is. Come over here.
I don't wanna.
Yo, it's right there. Yo, guys, he's right there.
Oh, he is. I'm gonna go around.
Oh, he's stuck. Go on. Come on.
He's
Come on.
stuck.
Right here.
Oh, well, guys, we have to go around.
Guys,
the
he's stuck
other.
there.
Guys,
Go
we have
there.
to go around. I mean, like around. So around.
Yeah, I'm gonna die.
Yo, my armpit.
he disappeared.
Oh my god, he's right there.
Oh my god, I shit my
Oh. Guys, if you see brown in my pants, that's your chance to win.
Yo, he's frozen right there.
Wow, boy!
Oh my god. It's not that funny. Don't be that funny.
Close it now.
Open back door. Now it's open. Trust me, guys. Trust me. Now it's closed. Now it's closed. Shit. Oh, where's Soda? It's right here. It's right here. Oh, it's right here. Oh, he died.
Guys, open the door.
We're like running. Pete is gone. Give me a second.
Guys, open the door. Open the door. What are you guys so scared of?
The code is 53018.
It's gonna be the front door, guys. It's gonna be the front door.
53018. 53018. I'll show you on the door.
It's in that door. Where my school police is
Guys, keep both of the doors open because if he comes through one door, so that we can go through the other.
It's out here. It's out here. Hold on here. FP over there. I'm gonna put this the private gate. Marco, look at I didn't say join there.
What's happening there?
Hey, you pop me, bro. Yo. I'm gonna tell you something. Stop, brother. Stop. Yo, stop, man. Look, I'm gonna tell you something. You have to guess what I mean. Look, yeah, that's what.
Someone got installed.
Yo, he's actually there.
The people was moving around inside.
Are you sure?
I forget to go somewhere.
Oh,
It's open.
He's actually there. I do-dooed myself.
Shit at yourself, man.
gonna come ball in my.
Guys, if you see the monster, say P. Diddy, okay? If you see the monster, say P. Diddy.
Open it. You're getting banned, buddy.
Guys, if you get a clip of the beam, just say the N-word.
No, if you see the beam, say P. Diddy.
It's definitely cool.
He's actually
He's coming after me.
Yo, wait.
Diddy, wake up. I don't like this. Diddy, wake up.
I don't like Diddy. We're going up. Guys, where's Diddy? Where's Diddy, Matt? Put your hands up.
He's not there anymore. Well, he wasn't there anymore.
Did you see that?
Bro, someone said that he wasn't there.
Yo, Bean, let's talk about this Bean.
Let's talk about him.
Stop closing the door.
Let's talk about this. I love you guys.
Bye.
Come in front. Did I close it?
Run!
Alright guys, that was the end of today's video. Peace!